What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off story notifications on Instagram. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can do that, and this is very simple and quick. All you have to do is follow these steps in this video and you will be able, guys, to turn off story notifications on Instagram. Let's get started right now. Now, what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course. Now, after, guys, you open your Instagram account, you want to click on your profile picture at the very bottom right. Now, after that, guys, you want to click on three little lions in the top right. After that, guys, you will find here a few different options. Now, the first thing, guys, you want to do is to click on settings in the top, okay? Now, after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on notifications, as you can see, the second option. Now, after you click on notifications, you will find here a few different options. Now, you want to click where it says posts, stories, and comments, as you can see. Now, after that, guys, you will find again a few different options here. Like if you want to turn off notifications for like likes, you can just turn it off here. For comments, you can turn it off. For photos, stuff like comments, stuff like that, comment, likes, and pins. But if you want to turn off story notifications on Instagram, you know, just click on off. Scroll at the very bottom, okay? You will find here first posts and stories. You want to just click on off. Okay, select off. And now you have turned off story notifications on Instagram. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. Please drop a like and subscribe.